Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Spring for supplier ordering and automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Spring login page. Press the enter key to navigate to the page. Once the page loads, look for the login fields. You will see a space for your username. Enter your registered username in the designated field. Next, locate the password field below the username. Carefully input your password. Double-check for any typos to ensure accuracy. After entering your credentials, find the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed. If you have entered the correct information, you will be redirected to the main dashboard. In case you forgot your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on that link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the different sections available for supplier ordering and automation. If needed, consult the help section for guidance on specific features. Take your time to navigate through the platform. Now you are ready to start using Spring for your supplier ordering and automation needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.